Hello everyone! Today we're going to take a look at Stellar Professional Data Recovery software. With this software, you can recover almost any type of lost data, including photos, videos, documents, archives, emails, and audio files. It supports data recovery from hard drives, PCs, laptops, SSDs, external drives, USB flash drives, memory cards, and SD cards. Stellar is a highly trusted and reliable data recovery solution, known for its fast scanning and recovery performance. To download the software, simply visit the link provided in the description box below. Once you're on the website, click the free download button. After the download is complete, install it just like any other standard software. Once installed, this is the main interface of the software. On the left side, under What to Recover, you'll find different recovery categories such as all data, office documents, emails, and more. When you click Recover From, the software will automatically detect and display all the storage drives connected to your PC. It also allows you to recover data from non-bootable PCs, resume a previously saved recovery session, create a disk image, and recover files directly from that disk image. If you open the Settings section and go to Raw File Formats, you'll see a complete list of the file types the software can recover. You can also customize these file formats according to your requirements. Now, let's perform a recovery. We'll go to Recover From and select this camera memory card. After selecting it, we'll click Scan. The software will take a few moments to scan the card. For this demonstration, we had stored a small amount of data on the SD card and then deleted it before starting the scan. This helps keep the demonstration quick and easy to follow. After the scan is complete, you can see that the software has successfully detected all the deleted files. It found 18 files across 3 folders with a total recoverable size of approximately 165 megabytes. We'll click OK to continue. Now all of the recovered photos are displayed. We'll open the folder where all the detected files are listed. Since they're already selected, we'll simply click Recover. Next, the software asks us to choose a destination folder where we want to save the recovered files. I'll create a folder named Stellar on my PC and select it as the destination. After clicking Save, you'll notice that the recovery process finishes within just a few seconds. Now let's open the destination folder to verify the recovered files. Inside the Stellar folder, we'll open the JPEG folder, and as you can see, all of our deleted photos have been successfully recovered. Let's open one of the images. As you can see, the photo has been recovered perfectly without any quality loss. So that's a basic overview of Stellar Professional Data Recovery. Using the same process, you can recover data from virtually any supported storage device, or even scan your entire PC for lost files. If you're interested in trying it yourself, you'll find the download link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.